Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Nail Reserve A Little Dream of Summer collection. So I did pick up A Little Dream of Summer collection from Nail Reserve. I did buy these on my own. I do have a discount code with them. It's AmyR50. It'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. They do send me over polishes sometimes, but I just wanted to try out some new ones, so I thought I'd pick up this collection and do some swatches for you guys. So this first one is Clouded. Here's what Clouded looks like. It's an off-white, creamy. It's got a little bit of like a brown, like a tan to it. That kind of an off-white. This next one is Dream Chaser. Here's what Dream Chaser looks like. This is actually a jelly or translucent color. So it is like a yellow orange, and it is see-through. This is good for glass nails, or it's good for doing a lot of layering in the nails. This next one is I Don't Know. Here's what I Don't Know looks like. It is a beautiful, bright Barbie pink. So this is perfect if you guys are wanting to do Barbie nails for the Barbie movie. This is a beautiful Barbie pink. Next, we have Sail Away. Here's what Sail Away looks like. This is a beautiful sky blue shade. Really good coverage on these colors. And the last one I have here is Future Past. Here's what Future Past looks like. It is a bright neon orange. It's got a little bit of shadowing in it, but it's going to be full coverage in 2 coats. It's almost a 1-coater, but you know how neons, especially oranges and yellows, they're hard to get that complete full coverage, but this formula is excellent. But I'm going to go ahead and do a 2nd coat of all the colors, top coat, and then we'll come back. Okay, so here are all the colors top coated. I did 2 coats on each of them except for the glass one, so I wanted to just leave it like that. But this is a really pretty, they're giving me like beach, Santa Monica type of vibes. Really pretty. I do have some comparisons. Now I don't have very many colors from Nail Reserve, so I will be comparing them mostly to Madam Glam and Light Elegance. So for Clouded, I pulled 2 from Madam Glam, 1 from Light Elegance. And this one is Smelly Cat. And I have quite a few of these like off-white shades from Madam Glam. They always end up looking a little bit different. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, but Smelly Cat is a little bit warmer in tone, and Clouded leans a little bit cooler in tone. And then this one's Millennium. Which Millennium gets a little bit closer, but it has a little bit more yellow to it. But these ones are pretty close. And then this one is Talk Dirt to Me, one of my favorites from Light Elegance. And they're pretty close as well. Again, not a spot on, but I would say Millennium, Talk Dirt to Me, and Clouded are all pretty close. Nothing is an exact dupe, but they're pretty similar. You could get away with it. And then for Dream Chaser, I don't have anything to compare. I know Madam Glam last summer released some jelly type of colors, but they were more milky colors. They had some more pigment to them. They weren't like this glass formula. So this is definitely new to me. For I don't know, again, this this is like a true Barbie pink. I don't have a Barbie pink from Madam Glam. This is their new Fire Sign, which way more red. This is Pajama Party. Again, more coral. Again, Madam Glam, at least not that I have, does not have a true Barbie pink. This is Smitten from Light Elegance. Now these two are pretty close. But if you don't like the hard gel formula and you like the color Smitten, then I would definitely recommend picking up, I don't know, from Nail Reserve. So you have it in a gel polish form. Then for Sail Away, only one I pulled was Aqua Blue from Madam Glam. This is like my only sky blue type shade from them. And these are actually spot on. Aqua Blue from Madam Glam and Sail Away from Nail Reserve are spot on. Then I did pull Blue Skies Ahead, which I know is similar. It's a little bit lighter though. A couple shades lighter. And then Future Past. So I did pull from Nail Reserve Her Destiny. This is the peach that I have. Again, it's not comparable, but it's the only, I do have an orange from Nail Reserve, so I thought I'd pull it to show. And then from Madam Glam, we have Live Colorfully, which does not compare. These two I think might get close. This is Sun's Out. I thought they would be closer than they are. Sun's Out is quite a bit lighter. Future Past is that true like traffic orange neon color. And then I pulled She's a Copper Catch from Light Elegance. Again, not going to compare, but just so you could see. So we did have some comparable things and some new shades to add to your collection. But I hope that helped you guys out. If you guys are a nail color collector, you have Madam Glam, you have Light Elegance, you have Nail Reserve, you have all these colors. I hope this helps you kind of narrow down what you want to add to your collection. If you are a new nail collector, this is a really great collection for summertime. You can do a lot of different designs with it. I love how we have the 3 bright shades. They included a neutral, so that way you have something to pair with it, as well as the glass shades. That way you could do lots of different nail art with it. So I really enjoy this collection as a whole. I want to do a tutorial for you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint 2 of the nails with Future Past. Then I'm going to paint 1 of the nails with Clouded. And then the last 2 nails I'm going to paint with Sail Away. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of all of the colors. Now we're going to add some stamping. This stamping plate is Born Pretty large number 17. It is a summery vibe type of plate. And then I'll be using the starfish image with the white stamping polish from Maniology. So I'm going to stamp the white starfish onto the 2 orange nails. And for the larger orange nail, the image doesn't quite fit, so I go ahead and stamp a second one and kind of fill in the spaces that missed out on the stamp. Now going in with Dream Chaser, which is our glass polish, I'm going to go over the starfish nails with this to make the starfish more of an orange, and then it gives a little bit more pop to that orange base that we put on there too. Now, same stamping plate, I'm going to use the We Love Summer image with a navy blue stamping polish from Maniology. I'm going to stamp that onto the off-white nail. And I was having a lot of trouble picking up this image, so of course, as usual, I'm going to leave in all of the footage. I've just sped it up a little bit quicker, but it took me quite a few times to finally pick this up. And I almost gave up, but I felt like the design needed this image. Now you're just going to top coat the design. So here is the design that I came up with. I did use 4 out of the 5 colors here. So the only color I didn't use is that Barbie pink here. But I used all of the rest. So I wanted to show you kind of how you can layer with that jelly a little bit. But this is a super fun, bright, summery set. So again, overall, I am loving this summer collection from Nail Reserve. Let me know what summer colors you guys are picking up and your thoughts about Nail Reserve. But I am definitely loving them so far. I definitely want to get some more colors. So you guys let me know what your favorite colors from Nail Reserve are. So that way maybe I can fill in my collection a little bit. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching and tutorial videos. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.